What's up, guys? Are you tired of looking at a tiny, outdated screen on your dashboard while trying to navigate busy streets? Today on Budget Buying, we are checking out the best car stereo multimedia player that will completely upgrade your daily driving experience with massive screens and wireless technology. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Atoto A5L Android car stereo multimedia player, it becomes clear that this is a truly feature-rich solution built for modern vehicles. Having a reliable infotainment system is essential for any modern driver. The Atoto A5L Android car stereo multimedia player is perfectly designed to bring your vehicle into the modern era with a beautiful interface, intuitive controls, and impressive hardware. At the absolute center of this amazing system is a massive 10-inch IPS display. This large IPS display guarantees wide viewing angles, meaning both the driver and passenger can clearly see the screen without constantly shifting around. Paired with that beautiful panel is a sharp 1280 by 720 resolution. This high-definition resolution delivers incredibly sharp visuals. Whether you are glancing at a navigation route or browsing through your media apps, everything looks wonderfully crisp. You will never have to squint to read street names on your nap, which makes your drive much more relaxing. Another massive highlight of the Atoto A5L Android car stereo multimedia player is its seamless smartphone integration. We all know how annoying it can be to fumble around with cumbersome cables. Atoto completely solves the problem of cluttered center consoles by fully supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. As soon as you start your engine, your smartphone automatically connects to the stereo. You instantly gain access to your phone calls, text messages, music apps, and navigation tools directly on that big 10-inch display. It keeps your phone safely tucked away in your pocket, which greatly reduces dangerous distractions and ensures a safer driving experience. A beautiful screen is only useful if the hardware can keep up with your commands. The Atoto A5L is powered by 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. The 2 GB of RAM actively work to provide smooth and highly responsive operation. When you are switching between your navigation app and your music player, the system handles the transition smoothly without frustrating freezes. Meanwhile, the 32 GB of storage give you plenty of dedicated room to download your offline maps, essential driving apps, and media files for long road trips where you might unexpectedly lose your cellular signal. Speaking of signal, this multimedia player is smartly equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi. This dual-band Wi-Fi connection ensures that whenever you are connected to a mobile hotspot, your internet speed is wonderfully fast and incredibly stable. You can stream high-quality music or download large applications much faster than you ever could with an older single-band system. It is all about giving you an uninterrupted online connection while parked or on the road. Now, let us talk about the audio, because listening to music is a huge part of driving. The Atoto A5L features a built-in DSP. This processor is vital for anyone who cares about sound quality, because it actively works to enhance overall audio clarity and depth, allowing you to tune the frequencies to match the unique acoustics of your car. The end result is a truly premium listening experience where the bass is deep, the vocals are clear, and the highs are perfectly balanced. To make sure your investment stays fresh, Atoto has included support for regular OTA updates. OTA updates mean that you can easily download the latest system software directly through your Wi-Fi connection without needing flash drives. This ensures that your entire system always stays current with the newest features and vital performance improvements long after you have initially installed it. Finally, we have to look at the physical design. The Itoto A5L features a highly sleek one-din design. This one-din form factor is a massive benefit because it allows for a very clean, professional-looking installation that blends seamlessly into your dashboard. Even though the screen itself is quite large, the actual body of the radio fits perfectly into standard dashboard openings without taking up excess space. With its combination of a large touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, robust audio capabilities, and a compact body, the Itoto A5L transforms your in-car multimedia experience. Do not miss out on upgrading your car today. Check the price link in the description to find the best deal. Always remember to like and subscribe to Budget Buying to support the channel. Have a fantastic day, drive safely, and I will see you in the next one.